What's going on, fellas? This is a 2000 Nissan Xterra, and the brake lights are always on, no matter what you do. Other than that, the car drives normally. So I went out to the car, opened the hood, I immediately see these pieces right here, and I knew what was going on. This is a problem that I mostly see with old early 90s Hondas. These are little plastic bushings that get installed in the brake lever. So they sit right there, and when you're not pushing on the brake pedal at all, it comes back and it presses on the brake switch, which you can see right here. Now with that piece missing, it's not pushing on the brake switch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fix it with a penny and some electrical tape and silicone. I'm basically just gonna put a bunch of silicone on this penny that I've degreased and cleaned, and I'm gonna hold it in place with this electrical tape while the silicone dries. I've already confirmed that the penny is thick enough to engage the brake pedal switch and make the brakes turn off. So if you look up here, there's actually two switches. The one on the right, this one, that's for the brake light. And I suspect that this one on the left is for the cruise control, but I'm not entirely sure. In any case, both of the bushings are missing. And you can do the same fix for either of them. So to make this easy, I've installed a bar here. It's gonna push the brake down so I can get to this more easily. And here we have a great view. I've got this rag with some rubbing alcohol on it. Gonna clean the surface area right there. Real nice and clean for that silicone to work. Got my penny ready with the electrical tape on it. Time to daub some silicone on here. And get it taped up in here. I'm gonna have to put my phone down real quick, use two hands. All right, obviously it's not very pretty, but you can see I've got the penny there. Now I'm going to release this here. Oh, it's on there good. Now let's go check out our brake light situation. All right, you can see that the brake lights are off, which is what we want. So this repair should last a while. And to give it a chance, I'm gonna have the car sit here for about 30 minutes for that silicone to set up good. And after that point, I'm gonna tell them they can drive it. And it only costs a penny. Hopefully it lasts, and if it doesn't, I'll be sure to let you all know, because they're gonna come right back to see me. You may be able to buy these from the dealer, I don't know. I don't have time to mess with that. But yeah, let me know down below if you guys have any questions, or if there's a better way to fix this that I don't know about. I'd like to hear about it.